Hello friends, today we are making a chocolate protein smoothie. Start by adding half banana for a bit of sweetness and texture. Then add your favorite protein powder. I am using plant-based and unflavoured from Sunwarrior. It is one of my top choices because it is made from sprouted and fermented grains, which are easier to digest. The next ingredient is high-quality, pure, unsweetened cacao powder, ideally organically sourced. Now I am adding a spoonful of flax seeds. Before I add them, I will grind them to increase their digestibility. As you can see from the label, they are packed with healthy nutrients. The next ingredient is almond butter. It is important to choose one made of just almonds and sea salt. It should not contain additional oils, such as sunflower or rapeseed. Now we will add the liquid. I am choosing cashew milk. You can also use any other plant milk. Note, I will avoid oat milks as they contain additional oils. I made a video about the best plant milks available. Link in the description. Now let's blend everything together. For topping, I am choosing cacao nibs. They are rich in antioxidant content and are packed with minerals such as magnesium and iron. Also, unlike chocolate, they don't contain sugar. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe for more.